Hi, Stallions. Do you remember when we learned about this? Do you remember what it's called? That's right. It's a question mark. You can use a question mark at the end of a question. Today we're going to be exploring different areas of the United States. And we're going to be asking questions about the seasons and the weather. I'm going to do a lot of modeling for you so you can watch me ask a lot of questions. And then at the end, it's going to be your turn to ask a question. Let's get started. Our first stop is over here in Florida. Looking at the map, the red star shows where we are. I'm going to look at the picture and ask a question about the weather or what season it is. What season is it? What kind of clothes do you wear in that season? Our next stop is on Lookout Mountain. We're going to travel north. I have a question. I'm wondering what season has a lot of flowers and grass growing? Okay, now we're moving over to Tennessee. On the map. I'm looking at the picture and I'm looking at clues and I'm wondering, what is the temperature? What is the weather like? Okay, we're still in Tennessee, just a different part of Tennessee. Looking here at the picture, I'm wondering, what season is it? Okay, now I'm headed east over to North Carolina. Let's look at the picture. What kind of clothes do you wear in the snow? Ooh, let's look up at the map. We're headed west over to Colorado. Let me look at the picture and think of a question. What season would you wear a light jacket? Not a heavy jacket, just a light jacket. I'm wondering. Okay, look up at the map, boys and girls. We just went back over to the east, the northeast, to New Hampshire. Let's look at the picture and think of a question that we're wondering about the weather or the seasons. What season would you wear a tank top in? What season is it? Okay, let's go look at our map. We're going to be traveling southwest to New Mexico. Let's look at this picture. Now I've been asking a lot of questions for every picture. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture and ask a question about the weather or the season. I'd like you to go on the Seesaw app and ask your teacher a question about this last picture. You can say who, what, when, or where. Have fun, Stallions!